Alright, so I've been breaking down my shell kits, and I realized that I haven't seen anybody who compacts them the way I do, who puts them away the way I do. So I thought I'd show you. Just I just cut them off the box that the guns come in, and they fit. Just, you know, cut the tape off. You know, cut the trays out of it. I just cut the trays out, and they slide right in. They fit in there really good, and they, while I put them in a larger box, they will protect these boxes that they come in. They will protect the shells. So I thought it was pretty cool, and thought you guys might, some of you may get an idea of doing the same. So there we go. These will all fit and be well taken care of. Yeah.